Every day, and in every way, I'm experiencing more and more joy and happiness in my life. Happiness is my natural state of being. I deserve to be happy. By being happy every day, I can help others to become happy in their lives. I am grateful for all the happy feelings that follow me everywhere I go. I spread happiness to others and absorb happiness from others in return. I am so happy and grateful for my life that my outlook on life is incredibly positive. Being happy is easy for me. I am grateful for every moment of every day because I know that it will never return. My future is bright, and I am incredibly thankful for it. I constantly think uplifting thoughts. I am incredibly grateful for the air I'm breathing, the water I have access to, and the food in my refrigerator. I am grateful because I always have what I need to live my life. I start every day in a state of immense happiness and joy. I am a joyful giver and a happy receiver of good things in my life. The world will be a better place and happier place because I was here. I am an unstoppable force for good. I trust myself because my inner wisdom knows the truth. I breathe in happiness with every single breath that I take. I wake up feeling grateful for this life and full of joy. I am so happy and grateful because I get to live the life of my dreams. I am always improving and learning new things that make me happy. I am present and feel tremendous joy at this moment. I can transform any negative into a positive, no matter what it is. I am an incredibly positive person with incredible gifts to share with the world. I am the creator of my day, my weeks, my months, and my years, and I chose to create happiness and joy. I decide to make my life a masterpiece worth remembering. I feel alive, and the world around me feels new and fresh. Life is wonderful, and I love living. There are endless opportunities for me to experience joy and happiness every day. I transform any obstacle into abundant opportunities. I am eternally grateful for the abundance in my life. I am open to accepting new journeys and beginnings in my life. I am always learning, growing, and unlocking new and promising possibilities. Every minute I appreciate the completeness of my journey, and I am aware that by appreciating the completeness of my journey I realize greater happiness, peace, and joy. The small joys in life add great happiness to my days when I become more mindful of their existence. I respect everything and everyone around me, and I perform even little actions with a lot of happiness, love, and gratitude. I am strong, creative, and happy, and I use my mistakes as stepping stones to grow into a wiser person. I value inner peace and realize that being myself is completely acceptable. I live with my truth, and my happiness is as much within me as it is outside me. I am truly grateful to the universe for this glorious and wonderful life. I am truly blessed and grateful to everyone who has touched my life and has made it worth living. Happy thoughts and circumstances are drawn to me naturally. I am always landing in happy circumstances. I am happy performing random acts of kindness, compassion, love, and happiness. My love results in more love and happiness entering my life. I am loving, compassionate, happy, and kind. I am truly grateful and appreciative for everything I have, including love, happiness, joy, and compassion for others. I feel a complete sense of joy, love, and happiness at the moment and exude that energy throughout the day. I feel gorgeous inside and out while defining my own sense of beauty through positive energy, abundant love, and happiness. My abundance of love, happiness, and positive energy allows me to step into the day and accomplish everything that I set my mind to. I allow myself to experience the goodness that surrounds me and retain positive energy that flows throughout the day to nourish my body, mind, and soul. Happiness is my birthright. I choose to attract happiness to my life, and I deserve to be truly joyful and happy in everything I set out to do. Today is the day for new beginnings, and I welcome the day with refreshed eyes and a rejuvenated mind. Abundance is flowing throughout my day, and I possess all the love, happiness, enthusiasm, creativity, and energy to make my day special. Each moment that I am alive, I become happier and happier with my life. Each cell in my body is pulsating with happiness, joy, positivity, and abundance. I am happier now than I have ever been. Happiness is something that is contagious. I understand this, and I work to spread happiness around to others, which brings happiness back to me tenfold. My happiness helps the people in my life feel happier. My happy attitude attracts other happiness into my life. I am immensely grateful for my wonderful life. I am grateful to everyone who has made me happy and who has made my life worth living. I am happy when I make progress toward reaching my goals. I focus more on my present happiness than the mistakes from my past. I can pick myself up and lift my own spirits. I feel a tremendous sense of happiness and peace within myself. I am a positive person and choose to have a positive view of life. I am ready to tackle whatever comes my way with happiness and a positive attitude. I am happy, I am healthy, I am strong. Every morning I wake up feeling happy about my life and my future. I approach everything in my life with a sense of humor and love to laugh with others. When I think happy thoughts, my life brightens and lightens. Being happy is a top priority in my life, and I remember to practice this feeling every day. I allow myself to fully enjoy the little moments that I observe around me every day. I am always looking for more ways to bring happiness and laughter into my life. I am always able to find a reason to smile every day. I am completely happy with the choices that I make in my life. I am always friendly with other people and smile at them. I spread happiness everywhere I go. I commit myself to developing the highest possible level of happiness in my life. My life is constantly overflowing with happiness and joy. I work joyfully toward all my goals and dreams. I am always happy because I am doing great things with my life. I am worthy of love and happiness. I welcome happiness and joy into my life. I am happy because I live my life fully every day. I rest in complete bliss and happiness every time I go to sleep because I know everything is fine in my universe. I am the most content and happiest person on this planet. I am glad that all happiness originates from within me and I live every moment to the fullest. The possibilities that life presents me with are infinite. I float happily and in a content manner within my world. I choose to live a happy, peaceful, and balanced life. I find joy, happiness, and pleasure in the tiniest of things. I can tap into my internal spring of happiness anytime I want and let out a flow of joy, pleasure, happiness, and well-being. I look at and observe the world around me with a smile because I can't help but sense all the joy around me. My happiness soars and expands each day. Every day I wake up with a happy smile on my face and a sense of tremendous gratitude in my heart for all the wonderful moments that await me during the day.